Here we are going to be talking about our solar system. Our solar system is in the galaxy, the Milky Way, as you probably already know. We have the Sun and 8 planets and 5 dwarf planets, including Pluto. Unfortunately, a big problem with my solar system model is that I cannot make it to scale. If I had, Earth would be 90 meters away from the Sun. We start off with the Sun, the centre of our solar system, formed 4.6 billion years ago and measuring 5,504 degrees Celsius. This is where all of our energy comes from, and it takes 8 minutes for the Sun's light to reach Earth. It is a giant ball of energy, measuring 2,716,013 miles in circumference. The first planet that is closest to the Sun, it is also the smallest planet. It is called Mercury. It has 9,252 miles in circumference. Also, 167 degrees Celsius. It has no moons, but it rotates so slowly a day there lasts 2/3 of one of Mercury's years. It is made out of 70% iron nickel and 30% silicate. Second, that is closest to the Sun, is Venus. It is the hottest planet with 462 degrees Celsius. It has no moons, and it is slightly smaller than Earth at 23,627 miles in circumference. It is made of iron in its core and rocky mantle, which is also similar to Earth. Third, closest to the Sun, is our most important planet, Earth. It has a circumference of 24,901 miles in circumference, and it has 14 degrees Celsius as an average temperature. It has one moon, and it actually lies inside the Sun as it is within the Sun's atmosphere. Fourth closest planet to the Sun is Mars, also known as the Red Planet. It has a circumference of 13,259 miles. It is colder than Earth, with an average temperature of -62 degrees Celsius. It has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. It has the tallest mountain in our solar system. It's called the Olympus Mons, 2.5 times Mount Everest's height and the width of Germany. The fifth planet away from the Sun is Jupiter, also known as the giant planet, with a whopper of 279,118 miles in circumference and minus 108 degrees Celsius. It has 62 moons. It is actually a swirling mass of liquid and gas, and the storm has been raging there for 300 years. The sixth planet away from the Sun is Saturn. It has 235,298 miles in circumference and has an average temperature of -139 degrees Celsius. It also also has at least 62 moons. It appears yellow because of the ammonia gas in the atmosphere. Famous for its rings that are made of water, but actually Jupiter, Neptune and Uranus also have rings. The seventh planet away from the Sun is Uranus, also known as the ice planet or ice giant. It has 99,786 miles in circumference and has minus 216 degrees Celsius. It also has 27 moons, often described as featureless, but with gales of up to 560 miles per hour. It's not somewhere I would want to stay for long. The 8th planet away from the Sun is Neptune. It is the outermost planet with a circumference of 96,685 miles. It has a temperature of minus 218 degrees Celsius. It has 14 moons. We can't see it with the naked eye as it's too far away from Earth. Lastly, we've come to Pluto. I've included Pluto as a part of history, but actually, if including Pluto, I should have included Ceres, have included Eris, Haumea, and Makemake, the other dwarf planets. Thank you.